go up there? All right, Leif is gonna help me unbox this new toy, and he wants to go up there. Let's do it. All right, ready? Oh, here we go. Cut this. In this box, we have an item called a CRACE, which is an acronym, and I forget what it stands for. Oh, Leif's gonna hold the camera. Okay. So in this box, we have an item, Leif's holding the camera, called a CRACE. Also, just for fun, I am repping my Dmitry Sinkovich t-shirt. Leif, what are you repping?
Sharers.
The Sharers. Big YouTube kid family channel. Leif loves watching. All right. So how do we open it? Okay, you ready? Oh, thank you, sir. Ready? I'm so excited to see you here too. So, interesting story about this package. This item was made by a buddy of mine. He's got a YouTube channel, Hirudin, and I've been following him for about 4 years. We chat a lot, and he was one of the guys, probably one of the two that I can think of, that got a Brother Speedio CNC machine in his garage back in like 2014, 2015, pretty much right when they came out. And then when I found out just a couple weeks ago that he has finally created a sweet product, I had to get one, because it is perfectly right up our alley. Oh, dude. Okay, Leif's excited for the bubble wrap. I am excited for that. What is it, you may ask? What is it? Oh, Leif, check this thing out. So, he has created a completely waterproof GoPro case, but it is not just a waterproof GoPro case. It is aluminum, CNC machine on the Brother, anodized in his garage, which I fully support.
A camera.
It's a camera case. Not only that, you put air blast inside here, and it's got an air blade that goes in front of the lens and clears the coolant off. So this is designed to go inside CNC machines. Oh, I'm so excited. And of course, he was super nice to like engrave our logo on it. Got logo on the front. Where did I see it? His logo.
Do you want me to?
See if I can give Aaron a thumbnail picture here. Here, I need you in the thumbnail. Ready? See if that worked. This thing is awesome. I love it. Check it out. He took my advice, and advice that I've been given for years. It says made in Albuquerque, and it even says the date, July 2018. Luna CNC. This is the CRACE. There's a 2 on there. I guess that means version 2. We gotta go to the bathroom. Ah! All right, that should be good for now. We're gonna test this thing out. Stay tuned. All right, so we are installing the CRACE waterproof air blast GoPro case. Seeing if I have 45 inches of black tubing here. I do. All right. So we're actually running a pallet of parts right now. I just hit optional stop so that after this tool, it would go up and just pause for us, ready for the next tool change. So we have air lanes already set up for the Mighty Bite Back Magic and the Pearson pallet. I just lowered the pressure right now so that there should be no pressure. It's supposed to be easy. There we go. I do want to get a bigger magnet base for this because I feel like this one's not strong enough. So all we got to do is plumb air to it. Hopefully not coolant air. He was saying it doesn't take very much pressure. Probably hear that. That's all it takes. Now we'll put a camera in here. So he does have another one with the glass in the back as well, I think, but it doesn't fit with this particular camera with the backpack on it. We can't have the screen on there. You can set up the camera to be Wi-Fi to your phone, and we've done that before. We're just not going to do it right now. Let's see what this does. So the air blast is on. I can feel it coming out, and let's just hit the next tool here. Won't take very long. Make sure that nothing's going to crash. Actually, you can see it is starting to get kind of close. Where those two buttons are. I think it'll work really well with the coolant on and off. So what I'm doing right here, since we're watching, is I'm probing the blade thicknesses in various different spots, and then I'm averaging the height and resetting the work offset to be the exact average halfway of those two blades. All right, let's take a little peek. Lens look pretty clean to me. Well, let's pull the camera out, check out the footage. I like that he did flathead screws here. So figuring out some sort of quick change way to get the airline on and off and locked and everything, we got to figure that out because it's kind of annoying to. Wow, that was smart. Don't do that. Yeah, one of the many downsides to a case like this is the type of plastic with the machine coolants. The coolant will actually eat the plastic and like crack it a million different ways. So we've been good about washing ours off immediately in hot soapy water, and we haven't had that problem, but a lot of people that leave it in the machine for even just a little bit, the coolant will attack that plastic. So having an anodized aluminum like totally fixes that completely. Yeah, the lens needs to be washed for sure. I don't know if you can see, but it is a glass lens. It's got some sort of coating on it. It's supposed to be good stuff. I love how he anodized the inside one orange for me, and then the buttons are all like Rasta colors, like one of each basically. I think it's sweet. Or as Aaron would say, it's pretty swifty. Well, I can't wait to see that footage. And now to review the footage. That's kind of cool. Look at that. You can see it's hitting like right on. It just bounces right off.
That's so awesome.
That is really cool.
Yeah. You can still see really clear to the part. You can
Yeah.
see the part. That's awesome.
Oh my goodness.
That's so cool.
That is really awesome. I don't know why I wasn't expecting, good results. I just didn't know. I like seeing it on my own parts. I'm like, wow, that's awesome.
I thought it would take some time for the coolant to like hit it and then fall off, but it's just immediate.
Yeah, and I gave it like 5 or 10 PSI of air blast, not much. That's sweet. Okay, so now we got to figure out a quicker, easier way to plumb the air lines. We can just throw it on.
Yeah.
And then a better like mount, magnet mount or something.
Okay. And it means that it wasn't just you that had the same problem. This guy had the same problem,
Yep.
and then he came up with a solution.
Yep, and I'm glad he did. I mean, it's a very dedicated, specific user group. Maybe other industries could somehow use it. I don't know what, but
Yeah, it's super specific.
right. Because what has water splash and air pressure at the same time? So
But it's exactly what you needed.
it is exactly what I need.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Grimsmo approved.